Hi, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. I'm Naveen and today I'm going to take you through the top 6 colleges with the best return on investment when it comes to MBA exams in India. So, top colleges with low fees and high salary. The 6 colleges are FMS, TIS, Jamunalal Bajaj, IIT Bombay, NITI and Delhi University colleges. So, the first spot is taken by FMS. The last date to fill the exam form, not the exam, the college form for FMS is generally third week of November. So you should look out for those colleges forms. The fees for FMS is 1.92 lakhs. The highest package that an MBA postgraduate gets after completing their MBA from FMS has been 58 lakhs per annum, and this is 2021 data. 2022 they have not completed their placements yet. The average package is around 32.4 lakhs per annum. The exam that you have to write in order to get into FMS is CAT, and the percentile that is required to get into FMS is around 98.5. Anything less than that is going to be very risky. The second spot is taken by Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, also known as TIS. The college form is going to be, it will have a deadline of around first week of December. The fees for this particular college is 1.146 lakhs. The highest salary that somebody gets from TIS is 42 lakhs per annum. The average salary is a little less. It's around 24 lakhs per annum. So there is a huge gap between average and the highest. But the exam that you will have to write in order to get into TIS is TISNET and TISMAT. The cutoff is generally 72% to 75% of the exam. The third spot is taken by the DBE, DFS and DSE colleges under Delhi University. The last date to fill the forms is somewhere around first week of January. These all colleges come under Delhi University. The fees is mere 30,000. That's it. And this is not one semester. This is the entire 2-year program. The highest salary that somebody gets from here is around 32 lakhs per annum. So this is like almost 100 times. And the average placement is also very decent. It's around 14 lakhs per annum. To be precise, 13.94 is what they have said on their placement reports. The exam that you will have to write will be CAT again, and the expected cutoff to get into such colleges is around 95 percentile, so it's not very easy as well. So actually the cutoff ranges somewhere from 87 to 95 percentile depending upon whether you want to get into the DBE or as in DBE is Department of Business Economics, or it's DSE or DFS. So it depends from college to college. But now if you get 95 percentile in CAT and you apply for these colleges, there's a pretty decent chances that you will be able to get into any one of these 3 courses. The next spot is taken by Jamunalal Bajaj, which is also known as JBIMS. The last day to fill the form is somewhere around 4th week of January, the last week of January. The fees for this particular program under JBIMS is 6 lakhs, which is also pretty decent. The highest salary that somebody gets is 42 lakhs per annum, which is at par with the other colleges that we have seen so far. The average salary is also very decent. It's somewhere around 27-28 lakhs per annum. Again, this is a 2021 data, the latest placement that has happened. The exam that you will have to write in order to clear, to get into JBIMS is NMAT, CET and CMAT. Okay, and the cutoff is huge. Okay, the cutoff is around 99.95 percentile. Anything less than that, it's very dicey that you will get into it. Anything more than that, it's a very favorable chance that you will get into it. The next spot is taken by IIT Bombay, also known as SJ Mehta, SGM SOM. The form is generally out for this particular college is right after the CAT results are out. So which is like, let's say if by end of December, if your CAT results are out, then within 5 days to 6 days, you will get the notification for filling up the form for IIT Bombay. And this is not true for just Bombay, it's true for other IITs, Delhi, Kharagpur as well. Well, the fees is a little on the higher side. It's around 8.68. It's not around, it's exactly 8.686 lakhs. Okay. The highest salary from this particular college is around 50 lakhs, which is very decent, very good. It has been 49 lakhs per annum the last year, which has seen a little reduction, but it's still pretty decent. The average salary is again a very good one. It's 25.9 lakhs per annum, approximately 26. The exam that you will have to write in order to get into IIT Bombay is going to be CAT, and the expected percentile in order to get through is going to be 98 and above. Anything less than that is again risky. Well, there is a certain specific eligibility to get into IIT Bombay. So you need a minimum of 4 years of education after completing higher secondary schooling, which is 10+2 or equivalent, which means if you have a straight away 1 degree of 4 years, which is engineering, you are good to go. But if you have a 3-year graduation, then you will have to go for some other particular program or another particular diploma or certification, which is at least 1 year long. You need at least 4 years of education right after 12th. Then only you are eligible for IIT Bombay. The next college is NITI, which is National Institute of Industrial Engineering. The last date to fill the form is around first week of February. The fees for this college is again on the highest side. It's 14.63 lakhs. The average salary is 49 lakhs per annum, which is like whatever you pay the fees, it's almost like 3 times of what you will be getting. The average salary is also good. It's around 25.4 lakhs per annum. The exam that you will have to write in order to get into NITI is going to be either CAT or GATE. Now, there are 2 programs which will accept CAT scores, and there are other programs that simply accept your GATE score. So you'll have to look into which course you will have to enroll for. The cutoff in order to get into NITI is 95 to 97 percentile, depending upon which course are you getting into. Okay. Well, this particular college also has an eligibility criteria that you need to be from an engineering or technology background. So a simple 3-year graduation will not do. So anybody who is not an engineer, who has not done a biotech or let's say textile engineering, so any engineering which is a 4-year program is required. Well, that's all. Start from here. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And if you have got any queries, please feel free to join our Telegram group with more than 10,000 aspirants. The channel's name on Telegram is BYJU'S MBA Doubts. And if you need any more such videos, please download our BYJU'S Exam Prep app from Google Play. Thank you.